Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Toffee doll updated. Begin by gathering 2 cups sugar, 1 cup corn syrup, 4 tablespoons butter, and a candy thermometer. Heat slowly to 300 degrees F and avoid stirring once boiling starts. Prepare molds or shape freehand on a greased silicone mat. Cool quickly to get a crisp snap and store in an airtight container to keep textures perfect. For shaping techniques, work with speed and confidence while the sugar is malleable. Warm the silicone mat or metal tools to prevent immediate sticking, and pour using a steady wrist. Create a small practice doll first to test thickness and cooling time. If pulling is desired, let the candy reach the soft crack stage slightly cooler than hard crack and stretch gently for delicate limbs and features. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I grabbed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that reshaped how I budget for hobby projects and gift buying, and it's a great laugh for planners. It pairs oddly well with candy budgeting tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To control flavor and texture, add extracts after removing the pan from heat to keep aromas bright. Sprinkle toasted nuts or flaky sea salt while the toffee is still tacky for contrast and visual appeal. For a glossy finish, pour at higher temperature and cool undisturbed. For a matte look, allow brief agitation as it sets. Taste test small pieces to dial in your perfect balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.